Hey guys, Glimmer here. I just want to jump in and give you a review of OpenClaw Mastered. This is a brand new product by Chad Nicely. This guy is a monster in the AI space, in the member. He's got some really great programs. I've been involved with Chad for a couple of years now. He's got some really great stuff. He's got marketing suites, everything you need to do to do a business online. But he's just come out with everyone's getting into this OpenClaw, getting Mac Minis. So he's come out with his own version of OpenClaw Mastered. And you actually don't even need a Mac Mini with his. You do it all online, just using your APIs from your AI chats and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what it is. You get access to the members area, which is going to be, there's 11,000 people in here already, guys. This is huge. I just joined. I'm gonna actually have a meeting with Chad next week and go over everything. But this is something you definitely want to grab. If you don't know what OpenClaw is basically an AI bot that runs on a computer separately from you. So it's not Chat GPT. It's not anything like that. It's an actual complete AI agent for you, where you can build and launch businesses all using AI and using this platform. So I'm not going to show you the back end of the platform because I haven't set anything up in there. And I'm not sure if I can in a review video because this has just come out. So I'm just going to show you basically the members area. There's a ton of support, tons of people are active in here. You're going to get all the support you need, and you're going to be able to build out your OpenClaw AI agent to basically do anything from making Kindle books to launching agency businesses to basically doing affiliate marketing to being an influencer, doing faceless marketing. Anything you want to do, it's going to be able to do it. And you can make multiple AI agents in here. Very, very cool. There's a lot of upgrades. So there's a lot of when you purchase the front end, there's a lot of different upgrades that's going to be relevant to what you want to do. So I definitely want to go through the sales pages and make sure it's something that you're going to need. Again, I'm meeting with Chad to find out everything, but this is something you don't want to miss out on. I know he's going to be this is the last day of the launch, and I know he's going to be putting up the price. So if you get in here and you can still pick it up, click on the link below and pick it up for $27. It's totally worthwhile. And I'm going to be in here. So anytime, you see me in here, you're able to ask me questions on how my journey's going with setting up my OpenClaw. But basically it's a great program, guys. And I'm not going to show you the interface because I don't want to get in trouble. I will do a second video once the launch is over, and I talk to Chad and make sure I can show him all the stuff because he might be some proprietary stuff that he doesn't want showing in there. But you're going to get all the support you need right here. And instead of going out and buying a Mac Mini for $500 to $1,000 depending on what version you get of it, and then setting it up on a separate monitor and all that stuff, you're going to be able to do it all online using his platform, which is really cool, and getting it for just $27 to start with. I mean, he's got lots of upgrades in it, so the upgrades are basically already pre-built stuff for you, so it's already done for you. All right, that's it, guys. I just wanted to jump in here and show you a really quick sort of the membership area of the OpenClaw Mastered. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Definitely pick it up. Make sure you're in my school group so you can ask me questions there. And I will see you on the next one. But definitely recommend it. It's going to be a game changer for a lot of people.